Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make the rainbow sticky rice. This will make the sticky rice is more special because we're gonna make the colorful on the sticky rice. And so you can also apply for this with the sticky rice with mango also. So let's get started. Today we're gonna use sticky rice for 250 gram, and then we're gonna clean and wash it very well. For this time, we're gonna use the alum. This one will help the sticky rice to more clear and have the nice sticky rice after we cook. So we're gonna clean with alum until the water is clear. And for this step, you need to make sure that you not use strong force with the sticky rice because you can make it broken. And now you can see the water is almost clear, and then is enough for cleaning. If you don't have a lump, no problem, you can just clean until the water is clear. And then we're gonna add the water to soak with the sticky rice. For as the normal temperature of the water, you need to soak it for about 4 hours up. But today I'm using warm water and then just soak it for 2 hours, and then add the color into the water and then mix it well. And after that, soak it. As I told you, if you use normal temperature is room temperature, you need to soak at least 4 hours. For today I use warm water, just soak it for only 2 hours. This one will more faster. And now after 2 hours, as we soak, and then remove the water of the sticky rice and then mix it together, and then you can see it's almost like colorful as a rainbow. And then steam the sticky rice for half hours. After 20 minutes, as we steamer and then turn down to up, and then continue to steam for another 10 minutes. And now it's ready for our sticky rice. You can see it's quite transparent of the sticky rice because we clean with the alum. And now it's ready. You can eat with the pork, or also you can continue to make with the sticky rice with the mango as the dessert. So thank you for watching my video.